Wis Gracio, I'm from PPI 21C. Today I'm going to explain what is morphology, so stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. In linguistics, morphology is the study of words, how they are formed, and their relationship to other words in the same language. It analyzes the structure of words and part of words such as stems, words, prefix, and suffix. Morphology also looks at parts of speech, intonation and stress, and the ways context can change a word's pronunciation and meaning. Morphology differs from morphological typology, which is the classification of language based on their use of words, and lexicology, which is the study of words and how they make up language vocabulary. While words along with clitics are generally accepted as being the smallest units of syntax in most languages, if not all. Many words can be related to other words by rules that collectively describe the grammar for that language. For example, English speakers recognize that the words dog and dogs are closely related, differentiated only by the plurality morpheme, as only found bound to noun phrase. Speakers of English, a functional language, recognize these relations from their innate knowledge of language rules of word formation. They infer intuitively that dog is dogs, as cat is to cats, and in similar fashion, dog is to dog, chatter as this is to dishwasher. By contrast, classical Chinese has very little morphology, using almost exclusively unbound morphemes, free morphemes, and it relies on word order to convey meaning. These are understood as grammar that represent the morphology of the language. The rules understood by a speaker reflect specific patterns or regularities, and the way words are formed from smaller units in the language they are using, and how those smaller units interact in speech. In this way, morphology is the branch of linguistics that studies patterns of word formation within and across language and attempts to formulate rules that model the knowledge of the speakers of those languages. Phonological and orthographic modification between a base word and its origin may be partial to literacy skills. Studies have indicated that the presence of modification in phonology and orthography makes morphologically complex words harder to understand, and that the absence of modification between a base word and its origin makes morphologically complex word easier to understand. Morphologically complex words are easier to comprehend when they include a buzzword. Polysynthetic language such as Chukchi have words composed of many morphemes. For example, the Chukchi word meaning I have a brush at which is composed of 8 morphemes that may be close. The morphology of such language allows for each consonant and vowel to be understood as morphemes, while the grammar of the language indicates the usage and understanding of each morpheme. The discipline that deals specifically with the sounds change within morphemes is morphology. Thank you.